What if I told you there's a country where trains float above the tracks, robots deliver your food, roads are repaired with a mysterious blue liquid, and bridges stretch across the sea for over 50 kilometers? Welcome to China, a place filled with incredible engineering, ancient wonders, and futuristic inventions. Today, you'll discover 10 amazing things that prove China is unlike anywhere else on Earth. And trust me, the last one might be the most unbelievable of them all. Have you ever wondered how China repairs damaged roads so quickly? Instead of tearing up the entire section of asphalt, workers use a surprisingly simple method. First, they clean the damaged area and spray a special blue liquid over the cracks and potholes. This liquid acts as a powerful bonding agent, helping the new material stick firmly to the old road. Next, they spread a layer of aggregate or asphalt mix and level it carefully to fill every gap. After that, a road roller compresses everything into a smooth, solid surface. Within just a short time, the repaired road is ready for traffic again. This method saves time, reduces costs, and minimizes traffic delays, making road maintenance much faster and more efficient than traditional repair techniques. China is home to the world's largest high-speed rail network, stretching over 45,000 kilometers across the country. These trains connect hundreds of cities, making travel faster and more convenient than ever before. Some of China's fastest trains can reach speeds of more than 350 kilometers per hour, allowing passengers to travel between major cities in just a few hours. Inside, the trains offer spacious seating, quiet cabins, and modern technology designed for comfort and efficiency. Millions of people rely on this network every single day, making it one of the busiest transportation systems on Earth. What once took an entire day by car or conventional rail can now be completed in just a fraction of the time. China's high-speed rail has completely transformed the way people travel, setting a new global standard for fast and reliable transportation. China is leading the world in renewable energy, and its massive solar farms are proof of that ambition. Across vast desert landscapes, millions of solar panels stretch as far as the eye can see, covering areas that span dozens of square kilometers. Some of these solar farms are so enormous that they can even be seen from satellite images in space. Built in regions with abundant sunlight, they generate enough clean electricity to power millions of homes while reducing the country's dependence on fossil fuels. Engineers continue to expand these projects every year, turning once empty deserts into some of the largest sources of renewable energy on the planet. These incredible solar farms are not only engineering achievements, they also represent China's commitment to building a more sustainable future. Imagine ordering food and having it delivered without a single human involved. In many Chinese cities, this is already a reality. Autonomous delivery robots travel through neighborhoods carrying meals directly to customers. Using advanced cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence, they safely navigate sidewalks, avoid pedestrians, stop at crosswalks, and even wait for traffic lights to change. Some robots can enter apartment buildings, call elevators automatically, and ride to the correct floor before notifying the customer that their order has arrived. They operate around the clock, helping restaurants deliver food more efficiently while reducing delivery times. What once sounded like science fiction has become an everyday part of life in China, showing just how quickly technology is changing the way people live. Finding a parking space in a crowded city can be frustrating, but China has developed an impressive solution. In many urban areas, fully automated parking towers store hundreds of vehicles in a fraction of the space required by traditional parking lots. Drivers simply leave their cars at the entrance, and the entire process is handled by a robotic system. Powerful lifts and automated platforms carefully transport each vehicle to an available parking space without any human assistance. When it's time to leave, the system retrieves the car and delivers it back to the entrance in just a few minutes. These smart parking towers save valuable land, reduce traffic caused by drivers searching for spaces, and make parking faster, safer, and far more efficient. It's another example of how technology is transforming everyday life in modern China. Would you dare walk across a bridge made entirely of glass? In China, some of the world's most spectacular glass bridges stretch across deep canyons hundreds of meters above the ground. Built with multiple layers of ultra-strong transparent glass, these incredible structures are designed to support thousands of visitors safely every day. As you walk across, It feels as if you're floating high above the valley with breathtaking views in every direction. Some bridges even feature special effects, creating the illusion that the glass is cracking beneath your feet to make the experience even more thrilling. Every year, millions of tourists travel to China to test their courage and enjoy one of the most unforgettable attractions on Earth. These remarkable bridges are a perfect blend of modern engineering, stunning architecture, and unforgettable adventure.
Imagine a 100-story skyscraper
hundreds
in
of
just a
meters
minute.
up the side of a cliff. In China's
The
breathtaking
Bailong elevator is
National
built close
Forest
to the
Park,
cliff of the deep
that's
mountain
exactly
with a
what
height of
millions of visitors experience
335
every year.
meters. The
Known as
bottom of the
Bailong
elevator car is fully
or the
transparent
100
glass,
Dragons
and the
elevator.
scenery under the feet
It is the world's
unobstructed.
tallest outdoor
It takes
glass
only
elevator.
66 seconds to reach the
Rising
top
over
of the mountain in a
320
single run,
meters, it
and it can
carries
carry
passengers from the valley
1,300
floor
tourists to
the
and
top
from the
of the
top in an
towering
hour.
sandstone pillars in less than 2
The
minutes.
scenic area
As
invested
the glass cabin
180
climbs
million
higher,
yuan to build it.
stunning panoramic views
It is not only
slowly
a tool
appear,
for tourists to view
revealing
the
the
scenery,
incredible
but
landscape
also
that
a
inspired the
fantastic
floating
scenery in
mountains
itself.
in the movie Avatar.
Do you have
Before
the
the
courage
elevator was
to
built,
ride it in front
reaching
of the
the
screen?
summit required a long and
This
exhausting
video
hike.
shows you the construction
Today,
process
visitors
of
can
the
enjoy
Bailong
one of the
elevator.
world's most spectacular views in just
Zhangjiajie
minutes,
Forest Park
making this
is the first
remarkable
national
engineering
forest
project
park in China.
one of China's
The
most
complex and
unforgettable
diverse
attractions.
area.
Few animals are as loved around the world as the giant panda, and China is doing everything possible to protect them. Across the country, specialized panda breeding and conservation centers provide a safe environment where these rare animals can grow and reproduce. Newborn panda cubs are incredibly tiny, weighing only about 100 grams at birth, making them one of the smallest newborn mammals compared to their mother's size. Because baby pandas are so fragile, scientists and veterinarians monitor them around the clock, providing constant care during their first months of life. Thanks to decades of conservation efforts, the giant panda population has steadily increased, making one of the world's greatest wildlife success stories. Today, these remarkable breeding centers play a vital role in ensuring that future generations will continue to enjoy one of nature's most iconic animals.